explain the electronic devices here in my behind of the face.
Para saan bang gamit nila?
This, this, this is the cooking pan, and you open beside that. You look the electrical tape in the LEC. Yeah,
Dynamo ba yan?
yeah. The purpose of it to fly the food in the devices. And this is the rice cooker. The rice cooker above the charger. This charger, saksak dito. And pag sinaksak yan, iilaw to. Then, iinit itong surface na to. Tapos, pag sinalang mo yung kaldero, maluluto ang pagkain. Ganun lang ang purpose niyan. Dali, sisindaw mo ng ganyan yan.
So, bali, ibig sabihin nito, ito yung tagakuha ng hangin, tapos
Bali, dito, yan.
Paglalabas siya dito, apoy na.
Hindi. Ang labas niyan, usok. Usok ang labas niyan. Bali, the volcanic eruption. To the power of X. And then, that's
How
because
about the X chromosomes and the Y chromosomes?
this is the core. Yan.
Or,
This. And then, the Ecuador. This. Look. This is the
if you look inside, you will see the
canal.
X galaxy.
Yeah. The canal.
That is the X galaxy, and that is also a portal to another world.
Yes, Suez Canal.
Suez
This. Ano ba yun?
What is it?
SS na Enigma.
Enigma.
Ano ba yun?
Black hole.
Yeah, black hole. In that surface. Then, this is the electronic devices that I invented.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. What is the name of that invention?
This is the electronic devices that we call
You called it what?
Belting Labra.
What is it?
Belting Labra.
Building Labra.
Yeah.
And I
Nabibili
heard that
to.
you have a
Yeah.
second version of that.
Yeah,
Building
nabibili to.
Labra the second, and that's
This
it.
is not finished
Ah,
invention.
okay. That's not the finished
Yeah.
finished one. Unfinished. Okay. Would you explain some purposes of this?
This is Damaso.